गाइस, सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है वंशी पगिल्ला। आई एम अगेन बैक विद वन ऑफ द क्रेजीएस्ट वीडियो विच इज़ अ शॉपिंग व्लॉग, वेडिंग शॉपिंग व्लॉग प्रिसाइजली। इस बार वेडिंग साड़ी सिलेक्शन या एंगेजमेंट को भी साड़ी सिलेक्शन के लिए हम निकले थे। एज यू कैन सी वी केम टू वन ऑफ द फेमस शॉप इन हैदराबाद दैट इज़ नोन एज रेड्डी ब्रदर्स विच इज़ इन सरूनगर। नो प्रमोशनल वीडियो, पहले ही बता रहा हूँ, ये हमें पर्सनली फेवरेट है तो वी स्टार्टेड इट। एंड नीचे से ऊपर तक यू हैव रेंजेस 100 से फ्रॉम 100 यू कैन गो टिल 1 लाख। इतना बहुत सारा लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू फ्लोर्स वो डिवाइड हुआ है रेंजेस को, like also with occasions. If it is normal party wear and that, it would be on first. If it is a wedding saree or like engagement saree or reception sarees, that would be on second. It have 3 different buildings. So हम जाके we went there and we were just seeing, and हम first floor से start किए थे and I'm trying to show you whatever we can get. वहाँ लहंगा हाफ sarees भी we are getting them and आपको दिखा रहा हूँ मैं। and as you can see इतना collection पड़ा हुआ ना, I didn't expected that इतना sarees कैसे कौन खरीदते, but after going there to select one saree, especially my family have seen almost like 20 to 30 sarees. Just imagine हर एक फैमिली कितने sarees देखेंगे, and so we were eager to see them how many are there, and there are many ranges in that. It's not like खाली एक ही रेंज के रहेंगे, 10,000 से लेके 1 लाख का रेंज का है, like you know sarees especially for these occasions called celebrations like wedding, engagement, reception and stuff. So we've been there and me, my family was just trying their sarees and stuff. So मैं पहले उन लोगों को दिखाने के पहले मैं ये पूरा दिखा रहा हूँ आप लोगों को कि कितना वाइड रेंज ऑफ कलेक्शन है। इट इज़ ऑन एवरी फेस्टिवल वेयर में या एवरी पट्टू में भी बोल सकते हैं, लाइक एक एक कल्चर का एक एक रहता है। लाइक यहाँ इन साउथ पट्टू सारीज आर वेरी फेमस, एज इन नॉर्थ पार्ट लाइक बनारसी, चंदेरी सिल्क कितना फेमस है। यहाँ कंची पट्टू, धर्मवरम पट्टू, these pattu sarees are very famous. So most of the people wear these, and we are seeing this Kanchi Pattu sarees because this shop specially is famous for Kanchi Pattu sarees. So we have been here and we were like almost for 1 hour or 1.5 hours, and we were just searching for the good sarees, and there was a good shopkeeper bhaiya who was showing us everything whatever he could. अच्छे कलेक्शन दिखा रहा है, so you can see it in front. अभी he started showing us with different wide range of sarees with collections and variations and with color patterns and also with color combinations, so that we could understand that what is suitable for us. And not only this, दिखाने के बाद वो एक बार पहना के भी दिखाएंगे कि how it actually looks on your color tone, on your body types, so that you can take accordingly. So this is one of the typical situation or decisions बोल सकता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि like whenever you have a like for boys it is single, but for girls they have different body types. तो उन लोगों को संभलने के लिए, उन लोगों को कैसा दिखता है वो देखने के लिए टाइम लगेगा, and you have to be very patient with it, and you have to see that which colors are suiting them and which colors are not suiting them. And I had a very good experience with this shopping vlog because I felt very comfortable even when I'm taking a video, because we were alone, like it was like a private room. So we could see that how many collections were there. He was patiently getting all of the sarees, whatever he's thinking that it would be suitable and on the ranges which we have mentioned. So we were seeing them, and we were happy with the collection there. And we had a wide range of varieties, so that we were little bit confused to क्या लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है. So we were just going that, and these are the collections first on the first round he have shown, so that we could understand that what are the color combinations are here present. And then we were like, we selected some of the sarees there and we took some of them and made us for a second option. बाद में देखेंगे अगर कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगा तो इसमें उठा लेंगे. It was like that situation. So that we went again back and we said that इसमें थोड़ा हमें like अच्छा लगा, but फिर भी और हमें और options दिखाओ, so that if you are getting anything, so that we could take it. So then we were like okay, and he the shopkeeper भैया is like okay दिखाऊंगा और दिखाऊंगा, sales person. So और उठा के लाया है, and he was just showing a, and I loved his skills of folding the sarees. It's like a very typical thing. I didn't they are experienced in it. They are showing it in a very good manner, and after that we are going there. Like it's a very long video format, मुझे पता है, but आप लोगों को ये दिखाने के लिए मैं लगाया हूँ, so that how is folding the sarees and stuff. And this was a collection on the first go. And next, these are he's showing us on different patterns and different color combinations. As my relatives and my mother was like, on the first occasion of this engagement or reception kind of a stuff, you should have green in it. Either a light green or a pink would work out, but not blues and navy blues. So it comes under somewhere a shade of black according to them, so that we were trying to see whatever we could see in green combinations, light greens, light color combinations, so that we could be in that safer side too. Bro, it's a tradition, so sometimes we will not have logics over there, so it's just good, it's just according to the culture and tradition, so that we should follow. That's all it is. And green is a, like, shubka color, so easily we were also ready to see them. And as you can see, the bhaiya started again the whole exhibition of sarees. इतना दिखा रहा है, and it was ranging from almost 18K to 27K. एंड जो हम रेंज में पूछ रहे थे, एज इट इज़ एन एंगेजमेंट, सो वी वर थिंकिंग लाइक टू सी, अगर कुछ भी पता नहीं अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो वी कैन गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट रेंज. बट यहाँ सब अच्छे थे, बहुत सही थे, एंड वी वर लाइक ईगर टू सी मोर ऑफ द कलेक्शन. सो आई स्टैंडर्ड एंड आई डन exploring there. So I started just giving one walk around on the all over shop, so that I could know that what are the other collections, so that if I'm liking something I could show to my family. So I was very sure about that. And these gold patterns, I loved them a lot, because I don't know, like, this gold and navy blues have a crazy collection, and I loved it personally because I felt gold is like, that auspicious color for me, like in occasions and whatever you could wear that. And I was pretty good, like I felt very good. I didn't like personally this saree. I didn't understand the concept of this color combination, sky blue and red, and that is looking so awkward. So we were like, on the first go, I'm like, nah, not this saree, any saree but not this, because it should also be like, apting to the color and apting to the color combinations, and एक अच्छा भी दिखना यार. रियल इट्स नॉट लाइक एक नॉर्मल सेलिब्रेट नॉर्मल फेस्टिवल नहीं है ना कि हाँ चलेगा एक ही घंटा को पहनना है. नो, दैट इज इन लाइक एन एंगेजमेंट थिंग वेर यू हैव टू बी लाइक, इतना लाइक एक्स्ट्रा भी नहीं दिखना चाहिए, और इतना डल भी नहीं दिखना चाहिए, और इतना वियर्ड भी नहीं दिखना चाहिए. इट शुड बी एलिगेंट. इट शुड बी लाइक, आई पर्सनली फील दैट the outfit should be very apt to your like to your personality, and it should be look very elegant. So we were seeing most of the sarees again, so that हमें अच्छा नहीं लगा था उसमें. So फिर we went to the third round, and we were like, show us whatever you have. And in the third round he started showing different collections, and he bought some sarees from other range of sarees too. So we were just seeing that कि इसमें हमें कुछ पसंद आ रहा है. And just stay till the end, where you'll see that my family person would be trying them. I would be not revealing it, but you can see it. So these are the collections again, and I was very happy, and I was very comfortable in removing, like, इतना aesthetically वो निकाल रहा है ना वो दिखाने के लिए वो sarees and stuff, and I was pretty impressed by it, as it is their job to do it. So obviously they know how to do it. They are good at their work, that I can say. So they are showing whatever they could show, a precise collection and various collection, and those rare pieces and like single pieces which have been there. So he's trying to show them that colors, and in one of the collection which we has, like he said, like, this is the only piece, if you have to take it this. So we're like, okay, let us see other collection if you're not liking anything, so that we could take this. And ऐसे हम सोचे थे, and ऐसे हम जा रहे थे आगे, and we were pretty happy with the collection. And मैं इतना बार बोल रहा हूँ, it's just not because I'm just saying something, but this is the first time where we went for the wedding shopping. So we were not aware of the situations, we were not really ready of what we can experience over there. But after going there, it was like little calmer side. On the calmer side, we were very anxious on selecting a saree, because we have never been done, especially for the wedding. Though my mother have done for her relatives and stuff, but choosing something for the family, it is little bit hectic, and you have to see every other aspects over there too. So like seeing them, and I'm here showing you one of the again ranges. मुझे ये पर्सनल कलेक्शन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. like personally मुझे ये रेंज ऑफ कलेक्शन अच्छा लगा. It's like lights, golden and silver combinations, and pastels का shades है with dark color borders. These all are pattus, all pattu sarees, and I was like, that is me in the mirror if you don't know. And that's it, and I'm showing you whatever I could, so that you would at least have idea that how many varieties of sarees are existing. This is only for one single area of one single show, like space of this shop. It's not the whole shop too. It's like a single room. वो एक single room में इतना है. Just assume कि पूरा shop में कितना रहेगा, पूरे 3 shops में कितना रहेंगे. So I was like pretty felt comfortable and I took all over the collection so that you people could have idea. And अगर आप जा रहे हो आगे, so that you would have an idea that how what of the ranges are starting and how the colors are like and what are the combinations. It's all about the content, because my vlog is all about making an awareness about whatever I'm learning, so that you people could know that what am I making sense to. Like, you know, if I'm learning something, I'll definitely make a video, because I want you to show guys that what I've learned and what mistakes could not be repeated, so that you would be not doing them, even if I'm doing in my first experience, so that you would be learning. That is a good experience that I feel. So इसीलिए मैं सब निकाल के रख रहा हूँ, so that I personally feel that I also do the same. Whenever I'm doing something, I see the YouTube videos first, so that I will have idea, then I will go there. So that जो भी वो मिस्टेक्स जो कर रहे थे या वो बताएंगे कि ये मिस्टेक्स मत करना, तो मैं वो रिपीट नहीं करूँगा. So it's all about that point. So just be patient with me. Almost video हो जाने वाला है, but just wait for the reveal of the sarees that what we have tried at the end. And these were the sarees. And yeah, here you can see the color combination that I was looking on the body types and stuff. And they were just given like in a like one thing, and you can see. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.